Hello guys, welcome to back our new class. In this class, we talk about Java method overloading. This is the part of advanced Java, but now a little work on Java method overloading. Method overloading allows the class to define a multiple methods with the same name but different parameters or different data types. In other words, we can say that method overloading is a feature of Java in which a class has more than one method of the same name and their parameters are different. That is called method overloading. In other words, we can say that method overloading is a concept of Java in which we can create multiple methods of the same class, not the different class. Multiple methods of the same name and the same class. That is called method overloading. When we declare multiple methods by the same name and in the same class, and our method work in different ways, not the work same ways. When more than one method of the same name is created in a class, this type of method is called overloaded method. In this picture, we say the class of core Java, and this is the first method. Public void my method is the name, and we pass the int(x). X is a parameter or argument to this method, and the other second method is overloaded method. They have the same name, but they have the different parameters. The first method have the single parameters and the second overloaded method have the two parameters. Let's jump to the NetBeans and work on practically with that to understand completely. First, I want to declare a method public void addition. This is the method's name's addition, and this is the method type of void. We say when we declare a method of type of voids, this method didn't have the return statement, and we pass the one argument or parameters into a, and we declare the a is this method show to us the price of a. This is the first method of this class. I create another method, overloaded method, public void addition nt(x) and the other argument is nt(y). That is the another method. That is an overloaded method. The a plus the x plus y is equal to x plus y. These are the two methods of in the same class. In this class, we have two methods. The first one, public void addition, and the second one also public void addition. I overloaded this method. If I create the third one method, public int addition nt(x) nt(y). I also create the third method is the same name, but this method have the three parameters x, y, and z. These are the same methods. They have the same name, but they have the different parameters. That is called method overloading in the same class. When I call this method, I create the class object obj. I create this class object. Now I want to call these three methods obj dot. In this pop-up menu, we have the three methods in the same name. The first addition have one parameter, the second is also addition, have the two parameters, and the third one is also addition in the three parameters. I call the first one, I pass to 50 here. Now I call to the second one and I pass the 50 and 30. I call the third function, I invoke the third function or methods. I pass the 50 is the anti x price and 30 of y and z are 20. I call this method, but that is not written. Print. How to print that? I anti-sum is equal to this calling method. Now I want to print the result of sum. When I run this program, we saw the first method just print the A. The A is 50 because we passed the 50. The second method or loaded method just print the x plus y. The x plus y is equal to et because we passed the 50 and 30 to this method. And the third method or loaded method have three parameters: z, y, x. We pass three arguments: 50, 30 and 20 to the third or loaded method. This method returns the x plus y plus z, and we print assign the addition of these three arguments to the sum variable and print here the sum variable. Now, thus third method is equal to 100. This is called method overloading. When we declare and initialize multiple methods by the same name in the one class, this is called method overloading. I hope you are understand.